So I bought a new car and then I blew it up immediately. There's a Ferrari in front of us. Look, have a look at it. It's a nice car, bro. Anyway, so I've gone there now. It looked good. It looked piff. Won it for a nice price. Put the key in, turn it on. Turns out I didn't read the listing properly. Because the fucking engine was knocking. Still decided to drive it back home. Because why not? And exactly how I thought it would go, I blew the engine up. For those of you that don't know about cars, most of the time when it's knocking, it's the big end bearings that are in the piston. And yeah, they were worn out in one of the pistons. Still have no clue because I ain't even had to look at it properly. But the piston failed and no more engine. Let me show you what I bought.
Your wing mirror is broken, bro.
I think it's at least my fucking problems right now. So yeah, it's a Mercedes CLA 220D, 2.1 litre diesel, 65 plate. So it's ULEZ free. They don't run. We need to fix it. I don't mind it because of the price that I got it for. It's a lot of work. We've got heated seats. We've got eco, manual, sport, paddle shifters with a flat bottom steering wheel. We ain't got no pan roof, but the Bradford boys would be upset. It's got 360-degree parking sensors, rear parking camera. I don't know, innit? It's a little CLA. I can't really complain. Aside from the fact that I don't drive, that's a bit mad. So where do we go from here? I either got to find a new engine to buy, put in there, or see if there's anything worth saving in there, which I highly doubt, because the piston left the chat, so... Anyway, I gave this thing a little bit of a drive earlier, but I ain't driven it properly in a while, so... let's go do that. So this car's gonna be one fuck of a journey, but we could get this sorted. It's not a problem. So if you lot want to see me try and get this back on the road, subscribe or something, because I want to do it for no reason. It'll make my soul feel a little bit better.